this video, we'll look at a few scenarios documented in Appendix A and explain the process for submitting required forms on the Long-Term Care, or LTC, online portal. Let's review a couple things you need to know when submitting multiple forms. For every scenario in Appendix A, a submitted form must be in status Processed Complete before you begin creating the next form listed in the Sequence of Required Forms column. This is to ensure data is correctly populated when entering the next form. If you create the next form and save it as a draft before the previous form reaches status Processed Complete, updates to the information that were made using the previous form will not appear on the draft. In this scenario, the scenario description column shows that an individual has a change of county, contract, and Local Intellectual and Developmental Disability Authority, or LIDA. The middle columns confirm these changes and show that there isn't a location code change or a residential type change. This scenario only occurs when the individual is in their own home or family home. For a full list of scenarios, refer to Appendix A in the LTC, HCS, and Texas Home Living Waiver Programs Provider User Guide. The Sequence of Required Forms column shows that the transferring LIDA submits the IMT-LA reassignment to update the LIDA, address, and county. The receiving LIDA then submits either the Home and Community-Based Services, or HCS 3608, or Texas Home Living 8582 Transfer IPC to update the contract. Here, we see an individual needs a contract change, location code change, and a residential type change, which the middle columns confirm. The LIDA submits the 3608 Transfer IPC to update the contract, location code, and residential type. Next, the receiving provider, or LIDA, submits the IMT individual update to update the address. Next, we see changes are needed for the contract, county, location code, residential type, and LIDA. The middle columns confirm these changes. The transferring LIDA submits the IMT-LA reassignment to update the LIDA, address, and county. The receiving LIDA submits the HCS 3608 Transfer IPC to update the contract, location code, and residential type. As a reminder, a submitted form must be in status Processed Complete before you begin creating the next form listed in the Sequence of Required Forms column. We recommend you reference the LTC, HCS, and Texas Home Living Waiver Programs Provider User Guide, where Appendix A can be found, and the item-by-item guides to view information on completing each form on the LTC online portal. You can find the item-by-item guides on the Texas Medicaid and Healthcare Partnership, or TMHP, Learning Management System, or LMS, in the same section as the Provider User Guide. Reference Part 1 of this video series in the HCS and Texas Home Living playlist to learn how to access Appendix A in the Provider User Guide.